welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. As you can see, we're busy with the car today. We are trying to get the car basically color corrected and just giving it a nice buff with some compound, and then we're going to polish it up just to get the car's color popping again, because the paint, we don't know how much years old, so we're just trying to get it all nice and cleaned up again. As you can see, we actually got a nice mirror finish there already on that side, and that's the first panel we done. We've been up since 7 in the AM, and we washed the car, and we're basically just putting, as you can see, the compound on so we can get it all nice and buffed in. After we did the buffing with the compound, we're going to do a nice polish on the car, and then some silicone all around on the trimming, just to get everything looking spick and span and nice and shiny. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Drop a like, drop a comment if you want. I know many of you out there, we are not pros, guys. We are just doing this, you know, for fun and trying to get the color on the car corrected, trying to get the paint corrected, get all the nice little small scratches out and all those things. So yeah, I know there's going to be many of people out there, you don't do it that way, you do it this way and all those things. But hey, everyone does it a different way, everyone each to their own. I don't think there's any proper way of doing it. If you get results out of it, keep doing it your way. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please drop a subscribe. We're almost at that 300 mark. We're currently at 290. Last night was epic. Last night was the 19th. Yeah, the 19th. There was a huge meet, well, not a huge meet, but a decent sized meet at the underground in N1. Unfortunately, the cops tried to shut us down, so we just moved to the McDonald's parking lot. I didn't get to film because we were all on edge trying to get away from the cops the whole time and all that shit, so didn't really film. But it was an epic night. Andre pulled through in his Opel Corsa, the grey Opel Corsa over there. You know him from the previous few videos, or the previous video. And yeah, it was an epic night. Saw some familiar faces, some familiar cars, and it was just a really epic night. Really enjoyed it. Did the first burnout in the car as well. Didn't get that on film, which I'm kind of disappointed, but yeah, at least you know, Chris from 8th Grade Garage, he's like, I'm gonna do a burnout and you can't leave without doing a burnout. So if you're watching this, bud, you got your burnout. Got videos from some other people, but the video quality isn't that great because they shot from far away. But the burnout was epic. It was the car really performed well. I was kind of scared with the gearbox that the car wouldn't even do a burnout, or the gearbox would just fucking fall out of the car. But she did well, and I'm very proud of her. If this gearbox cucks this time, we got a few ideas. I'm going to throw a Cressida gearbox in, because those gearboxes are unbreakable. 5-speed Cressida gearbox, change the speed to a manual and get it over and done with. And those gearboxes aren't that expensive anyways. And yeah, we can beef up that gearbox as well if we need to. But yeah, guys, let's get to it. And I'm going to take a few before and after shots. Can actually record it more than photos, so that you can see the differences in the paint and how we're getting it sorted out. Let's go check it out, guys. Let me show you this side. You can see it's already got a nice shine to it and a nice reflection, but the paint is in really bad condition. You can see the different shades of paint here, and it's got a kind of a brown tinge to it already. And now let me just show you the one fender that we've done. You can see that's a reflection, guys. This is just, and we just started with this. You can see that difference already. Just started with that panel, and yeah, it's a huge difference. We're gonna get all this little dings and scratches and shit out of the paint, and put on some nice silicone for the tires. And this panel's over here. mirrors, and yeah. You can see the paint's not too bad. We haven't done this yet, but we're gonna get it looking better than that. Very impressed with the results so far. That's a mirror finish. We did this fender so far, the hood. I mean, you can see the difference between the bumper and the hood immediately. Still do this side of the car. Busy with this side now. You can see the differences between the paint there and there. All that mirror finish. Look at that shine.
Doesn't even look black on camera.
It looks like a mirror, it doesn't even look black. Then we're gonna nice silicone the wheels, silicone all that trim there, all the mirrors and that.
Magic. Lovely. Yeah. Yeah.
Try and buff that out with that fucking rot right into me. This car's gonna look naked. Some people know. Fucking rot right into me with Hyundai. Put some see-through on the windows now. Didn't do the side windows. It did these. Back window, the windscreen. I didn't do the windscreen yet. The windscreen I must still do, because as you can see, there's a lot of spatzels on there now. But yeah, gonna get these fucking windows tinted soon. So no more fishbowl. Yo, I'm tired of the fishbowl look, man. I'm tired of the damn fishbowl look.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane.
So take a look at this. This is with some magic compound on, but you can see the condition. You will be able to see in the full shots as well. You could have seen what condition these lights were in, and then that's before and that's after. What a change. Yo, look at that finish, guys. Sorry about the wobbly camera work today, but I haven't got the gimbal downstairs. I'm just busy shooting handheld. This is no filter, Oaks. No filter. This is before. You can see, obviously a bit dirty now. Gonna do the back of the car. You can see the front already, the difference on the roof.
The feeling's going through. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
Okay guys, we finally finished with the car. As you can see, the finished product I mean, look at that gloss finish. Look at that glow and that shine. We did the windows with the see-through, buff the car. I mean, let's take a look at this. Look at that. It looks like a mirror finish. Okay. Oh, so after a long day, a long ass day, we started with this at like 8, washed the car and everything, and it's currently what? I have no idea, it's probably like 2, 2:30, 3. It's 3 o'clock and we're finally done. So yeah, thanks a lot to my friend Andre for helping us out today. He's actually been doing this for quite a while, and if you guys ever need someone to buff your car or polish your car, I mean, the results speak for itself. You couldn't ask for any better than that, and he will most likely do it at a way cheaper price than all the other people out there. So I mean, why not? Call him up if you guys need anything. I'll leave his details down in the description box below, and just drop him a WhatsApp, call him up and ask him how much he'll charge, because it'll obviously depend on the size of your car as well and what you want done, and yeah, he'll definitely hook you up. So guys, tell me what you think of the finished product, end product. Put some nice tire shine on and did all the silicone for all the trimmings, and yeah, look how this thing is shining. It's crazy. You can't even look at the car. It was so bright. It's like reflecting light off of like the sunlight back to us. It's like a mirror for real. But yeah, I'm super satisfied with the end product, and I couldn't be more happier. And yeah, awesome job. So like I said, if you guys ever want to have your car buffed or color corrected or take a few scratches out or anything like that, hit my man Andre up. He'll be able to assist you with something like that. Yeah, again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We're almost at the 300 mark. Just need 10 more subs to hit that 300 mark, and then it's all the way to that 1,000, baby. All the way to that 1,000. But that's it from me today and Ginger Ninja. We are dead tired. We are just gonna go eat and lump now, for reals. Flop on the bed like a fucking snook. But anyway guys, see you in the next one. Ride in the Reaper. Peace out.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm